Feeling financially squeezed and need a safety net? Let's explore how to get an overdraft on your Halifax account, turning that stress into a plan. First, you'll need to check if you're eligible. Generally, Halifax requires you to be 18 or over, a UK resident, and have a good credit history. You usually need to have been banking with them for a little while too. To apply, the easiest way is usually online banking. Log into your Halifax account through their website or mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Overdrafts or Borrowing section. The exact wording might vary, but look for something related to short-term credit or managing your account. You'll then find an application form here. You'll specify the overdraft amount you're requesting and provide details about your income and outgoings. Be honest and realistic to improve your chances of approval. Before submitting, consider if you can comfortably manage repayments, even if you occasionally dip into the overdraft. Overdrafts aren't free money, so you want to avoid getting into debt. It's crucial to understand the fees and interest rates. Halifax charges interest on overdrafts, often called EAR, so check their current rates to know how much you'll be paying. The lower the interest rate, the better. Once approved, manage your overdraft responsibly. Set up alerts to avoid exceeding your limit and regularly review your spending to stay on track. Aim to reduce your reliance on the overdraft by budgeting and saving where possible. An overdraft is a temporary solution, not a long-term financial strategy. Now you're armed with the knowledge to navigate Halifax overdrafts effectively.